Hello everyone and welcome to Groovy Duke, your channel for all things groovy-lang. If you find any of these videos useful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share so that more people can have a groovy day. Today we're going to be talking about running system commands under Groovy. So this is a feature within Groovy that's fairly powerful, so you might want to be careful of it, but if you're running scripts, under the string class in Groovy, there is a method called execute. So you can do a string.execute and it'll actually run that as a system command. Now, within Groovy itself, uh, if you were doing something with a DSL or something like that, which is a far future, more complicated thing, there are compilation compilers where you can decide you're not allowed to use this method. So there are those things in place for security reasons and stuff like that. But for some general scripting, it can be very useful to be able to just run a command right within a uh, Groovy script. So what it gives back to you is a process, and if you look at the process, it gives you exit values. You can get the error stream, input stream, output stream, all that fun stuff. But what Groovy adds for you is the .text. So let me get myself out of the way, and we're going to go down to the Groovy console here. And just to show you this in action, what I have is print line ls.-la, and I'm going to execute that and get the text for that. So if I run that, that essentially gives you a directory listing. I'm not going to show you my whole entire directory list, but this gives you an idea of what this can do. So you can do like any system command that you would want. So this gives you basically the flexibility to be able to have Groovy code that runs shell code. So you can get away from running bash scripts and things like that. Now, as mentioned, if I come back here and go to uh, the documentation again, it tells you if you need something more, a little bit more robust, go with the process builder. And that is typically what you would use in regular Java. But if you're just doing like a script, doing .execute might be fine for what you need, and it might get you what you need a lot quicker than having to build up the process builder, and mess around with that. But that's pretty much all I have for you today. So as always, have a groovy one.